All right, guys, it's been forever since I've taken a video, or made a video, I should say. Got some emails, some questions, some comments here and there from a couple of guys. Hey, how come you're not making videos anymore? You should make more videos, reviews, and all that stuff. Kind of wondering what's been going on, etc. Obviously, some of you guys been keeping track. I still made videos for cars, like walk-around videos, you know, whenever I'm selling something. But just kind of haven't been doing my like reviews that I used to do or any, you know, DIY videos or anything like that. There's a couple of reasons for it. The first one you guys just saw in the intro. So last year was kind of a rough year. Had a nice accident that, you know, kind of destroyed my truck, almost killed me. So kind of stepped back from that and decided, you know, let's rethink stuff. Got rid of a bunch of cars. You know, I had MR2, my van, Supra, the Celine. I had a bunch of cars that you guys didn't even see that I just said, fuck it, I'm just going to sell everything and, you know, slim down. Kept a couple, but I kind of got tired of all the, you know, the maintenance and all the shit boxes. You know, I call them shit boxes. They're old cars that need maintenance and stuff. So figured I would get rid of some, ease my stress level down a little bit. So I did that. Kind of made some new goals, and filming kind of took a back seat to everything. You know, people close to me know I went through a divorce last year, so, you know, mentally kind of fucked with me a little bit. You know, so, you know, those two things, I had COVID, you know, like I said, all of 2022 was just kind of a massive, like a shit show for me. And I still, you know, sold my cars, still chill with people and all that, but as far as YouTube, kind of took a back seat. So, yeah, that's been going on last year. I'm pretty, you know, pretty happy, pretty whatever now, whatever you want to call it. Good state of mind. Back to cars, trying to get more active again. You know, just been focusing on work a lot. Been hustling my ass off. You know, took a vacation a couple weeks back. Went to see some buddies in Orlando and stuff like that. But yeah, gonna try to get back into the grind of things. Just kind of wanted to make this quick video. You know, as far as the accident, to give you guys some context, if you guys want to know, pretty much a friend of mine had a flat, asked for help to try to help him. So me and another person actually went out to help him, and it was on the side of the interstate. You know, we changed the flat. We hurried our ass up as fast as we could. Changed the flat. You see, in the video, you see, you know, dash cam footage. That's an STI. I'll put some pictures of, you know, what happened to both cars afterwards. But essentially, some guy driving wasn't paying attention or something. I don't know what his deal was. He sideswiped the STI pretty hard. Kind of, you know, got on two wheels from impact with the STI. Grazed my trailer. Kind of launched him into the back of my Tundra, and he flipped over, landed, hit another car. So it was a pretty big wreck, and we were pretty much done, like I said, with a tire change. So I was actually putting the jack and everything back into my truck, and that's really when the impact happened. So you see me standing to the left side of the truck. The tailgate was even down, and if you pay close attention, I kind of, right after impact, I kind of go way to the left, and that's because the tailgate of the truck broke off and it actually smacked me in my thigh. So yeah, I mean, that was the accident. Like I said, I had some other shit happen. Not everything was negative. I had some, you know, good stuff right after that. I had to go to, you know, had a family wedding and all this. So just kind of been away from the whole YouTube. Like I said, I still made videos, walk-arounds for cars, but I am going to try to get back into the normal things of life. Try to make videos once in a while. Just stuff like that. So reviews, whatever. I had a twin turbo 6-speed Supra here. I really wanted to do a review on that, but just the way everything lined up with the way the car market was, and you know, how much work it took to get that car fixed up and cleaned, it just never, I never got around to making that video happen. I kind of wish I did, but it is what it is. But yeah, you know, you guys drive careful, yield to anybody on the shoulder if you can, and pay attention. And that dick bag or whatever you want to call the guy that smacked us, He was uninsured, so it was a pretty big shit show to deal with. You know, my truck was pretty much trashed, gone. So it is what it is. So yeah, just carry some insurance and tune in for some videos.